Alright, so I got the fire pit done, finally. It was interesting doing it. I ate up about half my rocks, as you can see. I ended up putting a little mini cairn up front, but it's kind of difficult videotaping and trying to get the fire pit in view here. Yeah, it's about, I don't know, it's 18 inches high. In the middle I put dirt down, so I'm not sure if I'm going to outline that with some flat rocks or not. But yeah, it was a huge thing out of the way, but knowing that I took half the rocks for just the fire pit, it's going to be interesting doing the actual outline and bordering, because that's going to take a hell of a lot of rocks. So we'll leave it at that. Hopefully I can edit this into a bigger video. But yeah, I think that's it for today. Gotta get ready for a workout, and
feels like I'm waiting, like I'm watching you for love. Dreams where I'm fading. So free my mind, all the talking, wasting all your time. I'm giving